Did you know that when you fly, no matter the contraption, you're hit with millions of particles of radiation? Don't worry, they're not dangerous. It's all safe. But today I'm going to tell you about those particles. My name is Olivia Boehmer, and this is my iconic figure of the cosmic ray air shower. I depicted this artistically iconic figure through my special topics project. I was led by a space physicist under a NASA grant, which we acquired in January of 2023. In my depiction, I show the probability of one proton entering our atmosphere and the many ways of which it could split off. For example, if you look at the key, all the colors code into the different particles that you could get. Red being basic positive, black being basic negative, and green being basic neutral, the rest being specifics to those. So one option is if that proton collides with a neutron, it could turn into gamma radiation. And then every single little particle of gamma will eventually die off into one positive and one negative, so one proton and one electron. But another probability is that you get pions. Pions rarely make it all the way down to Earth. Usually what happens, if it's negative or positive, is that pions will turn into muons. So you can see that the magenta and the dark blue are more on the top than they are on the bottom, because more often than not, the pion turns into a muon, and muons are how we detect through things, like how we see through the Great Pyramids. Or you could have a simply cascading amount of just protons and neutrons. Anything is really possible, and so this graph is a great way of depicting to all types of flights. So whether you are a pilot, or you are just riding in a helicopter, or you're in an official plane, the dangers of this radiation, and it gets more dangerous the higher up you go, because they die off quite quickly. So this is my iconic figure of the cosmic ray air shower, and thank you for listening.